Zip Tie Domes presents 8 reasons why the perfect chicken coop is a geodesic dome. The perfect chicken coop is not a box. It's a geodesic dome by Zip Tie Domes. No chicken wants to be in a box. Boxes are not a natural place for chickens. Only fried chicken belongs in a box. Your chickens deserve something better. And these boxy wooden chicken coops always fill up with chicken poop. Even if you clean them up, they will just fill up again. What a stinky mess. And since your chickens will have to lay their eggs where they poop, your eggs will end up being covered in chicken poop. And your coop's chicken poop will make your backyard and your whole neighborhood smell like poop. And a wooden chicken coop full of chicken poop is how diseases spread between chickens. And these wooden coops can also harbor chicken mites and chicken lice, which are really terrible for your chickens and not good for you either. But in a zip-tied geodesic dome, you just slide the dome a few feet across the ground and all the chicken poop and diseases are left behind. This 11-foot dome provides over 100 square feet of fresh grass. This 16-foot geodesic dome has over 220 square feet of fresh grass for your chickens or ducks. And with a zip-tie dome, the chickens can lay their eggs in fresh, clean straw in nesting boxes that are attached to the inside of the geodesic dome and not in chicken poop. Just use the lightweight plastic baskets you can find at any store and wire them to the inside of the geodesic dome to make a clean and healthy nesting box for your chickens to lay their eggs. If you have raised chickens in a wooden coop, you will know that on a cold night, your chicks can crowd up into a corner of the coop and smother themselves. To stay warm, they will pile up into a corner, and the chicks on the bottom will die from suffocation. Not so in a geodesic dome, as there are no corners in a dome, so there is no place for baby chicks or ducks to crowd up and smother themselves. Crowding and smothering in a corner cannot happen in a zip-tie dome because there are no corners in a geodesic dome. And a wooden chicken coop is just too small for more than just a few chickens. Every chicken needs 4 to 8 square feet of space. Yet the wooden coops you buy will only give 1 to 2 square feet for every chicken, which is inhumane. Yet this 11-foot geodesic dome has over 100 square feet of floor space to easily hold 15 to 20 chickens. This 16-foot geodesic dome has over 220 square feet of floor space to hold 25 to 40 chickens with no problem. And most wooden coops are not tall enough for you to step inside to work directly with your chickens. But our geodesic domes are between 5 feet and 8 feet tall, which gives you plenty of room to walk inside and give your attention to the chicken that needs it. And if a wooden chicken coop is large enough to walk inside, then it will be too heavy to move unless you have a tractor to pick it up and move it. And if you can't move your coop every few days, then your chickens will eat every blade of grass they can, leaving nothing but mud and destroying the grass in your lawn. With a stationary coop, your chickens can't get to the fresh grass they need to thrive, and will have nothing but mud and dirt in their coop to scratch for to have food. So, maybe you think you can just let your chickens out of the coop during the day. Does that work? Here's what happens. If you let your chickens out of the coop, then they will end up pooping all over your neighbor's yard, his car, or eating his garden. Chickens do not know where your property line ends, and they can fly over your neighbor's fence and into his yard. Chickens that are let out of the coop can also be eaten by your neighbor's dog, or hit by someone's car and cause a lot of damage, or made into a meal by a chicken hawk, or even flattened while trying to cross the road, which chickens actually do in order to get to the other side. No joke, it really happens. So, if you want your chickens to have fresh grass, you can either keep your chickens on a leash, Or you can let them have all the fresh grass they need inside the safety of a geodesic chicken coop by zip-tie domes. Here are 8 reasons why you need a geodesic chicken coop from zip-tie domes. 1. The zip-tie dome's geodesic chicken coop is very easy to build. No tools are required. Just attach the struts to the hubs with heavy-duty nylon zip ties. The dome goes up very quickly and is fun to build, much like Tinker Toys for adults. No tools are required for building the dome, so no screwdrivers are needed, no wrenches, no drills, no skill saw, or hammer or any other tools are needed to build this dome. Just zip it together with heavy-duty nylon zip ties that are included in the package. Our domes are so simple that even a child can put one together. Number 2, the geodesic chicken coop dome is lightweight and easy to move. The round hubs on the bottom allows the dome to slide easily over the ground. To move a large and heavy wooden chicken coop, you will either need a front-end loader, a tractor, or a team of mules to move your chicken coop, which really means you won't move your chicken coop and your chickens won't have fresh grass as they would with the zip-tie dome. Number 3, strong design. The geodesic dome is the strongest structure known to man and is made with triangles in the shape of a sphere. This is the only movable chicken coop that can support over 200 pounds in weight, as shown in this video. This means there will be no problem with hanging chicken roost, nesting boxes, feeders, or waterers inside the dome. Rectangular PVC chicken coop designs are built with PVC plumbing joints that are meant for plumbing, not construction. These plumbing joints and struts will crack and break due to the leverage placed on them by the rectangular design in a standard PVC chicken coop. Our geodesic domes are built with triangles and use a patented hub design that makes them strong enough to support my weight of 240 pounds. And we back up all of our parts with a full guarantee for 2 years. Number 4, our domes are guaranteed not to rot or come apart. Our geodesic chicken coops are made from PVC plastic and will not rot or come apart. All wooden coops that are in contact with the wet ground will ultimately rot. Wooden chicken coops generally last about a year or so. Rectangular PVC coops made with plumbing joints will crack and wobble until the plumbing joints come apart. Our geodesic chicken coops with our patented hub design are guaranteed for 2 years from rotting, breaking, or any other defect. Number 5, easy to take apart. Many wooden chicken coops are not only difficult to build, but they are also very hard to take apart for storage or to pack up and move to a new location. Our geodesic domes are easy to take apart for storage or for a long distance move. Just cut the heavy-duty zip ties and the entire dome will come apart. And since the dome is just PVC pipe, it can be packed away and stored in a small space. Number 6, this is the best coop for the best price. Our 16-foot geodesic chicken coop has 222 square feet of floor space and costs only $365. This comes out to $1.64 per square foot. When you buy a roll of 4-foot by 150-foot chicken wire at your local store for $62, the cost comes out to $1.92 a square foot. This is the best value per square foot for any chicken coop, as other chicken tractors cost $10 a square foot or more. Number 7, this is the right size coop for a large flock. Our geodesic chicken coops are large enough to be effective. Other types of coops are too small and can only hold 4 to 8 chickens at most. If the other coop designs are big enough to hold more chickens, Then they are too heavy to move. Our 10-foot geodesic chicken coop has 102 square feet of floor space to hold 20 to 45 chickens, yet weighs only 83 pounds. The 16-foot dome has 222 square feet of floor space and can hold up to 50 chickens, and yet weighs only 113 pounds. Number 8, and the best reason of all, is that fresh grass means better eggs. Look at this picture of 2 eggs. The egg on the right is from a grass-fed chicken. The egg on the left is not. The darker color yolk of the grass-fed egg shows that it contains more trace minerals and is therefore more nutritious than the lighter colored egg. It tastes great. The pale egg on the left is like the ones you get from the store that comes from chickens that are confined and unhealthy. This egg tastes, well, not so good, just average and plain. So why do you want to buy chickens to keep at your home and then crowd them into a small coop and then have the same kind of unhealthy eggs that you could already buy at the store? Chickens and ducks need fresh grass to be healthy, but they also need protection from predators, and you need to keep them under control on your own property and not let them wander onto your neighbor's property. So what should you do if you already have a wooden chicken coop? Here is what our customer, Jamie Meredith, did. He attached his zip-tie dome to his chicken coop using wire chicken tunnels that he made himself. When Jamie moves his zip-tie dome, the chicken tunnels move with it, providing a safe and secure way for the chickens to move from the coop and into the movable dome. Mary Haynes put her chicken coop on wheels and then put it inside a zip-tie dome. But you really don't need a wooden coop at all, even in the winter. Dave Sable puts a plastic sheet over his dome that lets him keep his chickens warm through the entire winter. Here are some pictures that our customers have sent to us. Our customers love our domes. If you would like more information about our domes, please visit our website at www.ziptiedomes.com or call us at 931-858-6892. Thanks.